Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I will talk about how to build this one or the flip door. Okay, this kind of flip door. So we go to custom kitchen. Okay, same thing. Then go to wall cabinet. It's a wall cabinet. Okay, simply you just choose open one. Okay, choose an open one. Then we find this one. No door. Okay. Change the white, maybe 1000. Okay, then I'm gonna create the door first. Okay, we create the hinge first this one, the equipment, the accessory. Okay, first we drag this one, special board, then go to this one, others. Okay, choose superboard. So okay, new superboard. What kind of different maybe I use the new superboard. Look like a door. Okay, then this one is 1000, so this one our white will give you 1000. Okay, and this one 700, so divide 2 should be 350. So I'm gonna make this one the depth 350. Enter. Okay, so far so good. So this one rotate. This one I need to smaller it. Okay, but that I will need to ungroup it also. So I'll rotate first, then no, I copy 2 doors first because this one will need another one. So I'll paste one on here first. Control X, just press X, you can rotate it first. This one shall be something like this. Never mind, I'll just move it first. Okay, make it join together first. Okay, use Z on top here, point to this one. Okay, point to this one, yes. Then exit. Okay, if you want to do open door with handle like this one, you need to manually make because AiHouse don't have. Okay, but never mind, we can make it. So press X, exit, then we can rotate it. Okay, then press Z, move it up. So we have something like this. Okay, after that you just move this one. Okay, also press Z. Okay, point capture for that. We use the point capture to capture the point first. Never mind. Okay, point already, then we just exit first. Okay, this one I'll rotate it a bit. Press X, rotate it a bit like the drawing. The drawing is like this. Okay, drawing is like this. Fine. Press Z, move down, move go in, move up, come out a bit, something like this. Okay. So after that we're gonna do the accessory. I'll try to create the accessory. So we choose this one, wall cabinet, like board here, put here. Okay, so I change the board size first. I'll make it 100 first. This kind of board is mostly very small. Within 100. Okay, should be somewhere here. Okay, then I press Z to move it. Let me move it. I just cut it first. Okay, 80 is the white. I think 80 is enough. Okay, then I'll just click B, board selection, click on it, right click, then change the panel point editing. We're gonna start do in here. First thing, delete the existing panel, then untick the absorb, click on draw. Okay, we draw anything we want. Okay, anything we want. Click here. This one I click here. This one I click here, then this one I click. If you want straight line, guys, if you want straight line, you can click this one, orthogon. Okay, I think straight line is better. Yes, better. Okay, but here I cannot do straight line, so I need to untick again. Oh, so never mind. Draw the pattern first. Untick. Okay, the pattern first. Roughly there. Okay, so this one I'll click it. I'll make it curve lah. Put 10. Okay, this one I'll click it. Make it curve also. Put 15. Then save it. Return. So this one will be the accessory also. I'll just move it. First drag. Move it. Move it here. Or somewhere here. Then click on it. Move to here. Okay. Then this one, press X, move it. Press Z, move it. Okay, so this one is part of the handle. Exit first. Okay, we do another one for the this one called this one, this accessory here like this. Okay, so just drag another board also, and this time we press X, Z, or move it first, or let me agak estimate it. Okay, should be somewhere here, and here. Okay, somewhere here and here. Okay, I'll shorten the board first. Make it 400. Okay, make it 400. Okay. Okay, should be something like this. Okay. So exit everything. Click B, board selection, select it, right click, better point editing. Or we can roughly do the pattern. Roughly do the pattern. Just delete the thing, then you draw again. And untick the absorb. Whatever absorb. Straight line, don't need straight line. Okay. Artist draw thing don't need to straight line. I think it's around here. Or because it's not too long, okay, they will come back to here. Maybe here. Something here. Then come to here. Here. Close it. Okay, it's not very nice, but it's okay. No, so I'll click it this one and make it curve. Okay, maybe put 10 also. Okay, now 10 cannot see. 20. Save. Return. Okay, you can see this is the accessory. So press Z, X, rotate it first, roughly here. Okay. Then press Z, move it. Okay, move it down. Okay, press X again. No, press Z first. We move it in first. Okay, move it in. Move it in first. Something like this. Okay. Then we press X, rotate it. Right click, Ctrl Z, press X, rotate it. Okay, then press Z, move it. Okay, so you can see something like this already. Okay. So after that, the work will be simple. Exit everything first. We need to exit everything. Exit everything. Okay, then this one and this one we will need to copy lah. First we put the material first. This one I'm gonna choose material like something like silver, metal, or maybe this one, like steel, and this one it should be white color lah. I'm not sure what is that. I saw the picture is white color, so I'll just choose metal also, but white color. Let me see if I got any white color metal. Yeah, aluminum metal. No, it's a plastic. I think not aluminum, so plastic. So I'll choose maybe this one for me, plastic matte one, white color. Okay, choose this one. Okay. After put the color already, then we just double click. If you want, you can double click. So this one and this one, we make it a group. Control G, make it a group. Then just Control V, you can double click one. Okay, select the back one, or this one, the back one. Press Shift, select all. Then press Tab, move it. Move it to that side. Okay, simple as that. Okay, after that, all white color, right? We put all white color, Let me put white color first for the cabinet, or cannot. This one cannot do like that. Without all the handle, all the accessory will become white color. So we use Control, select the panel. I want to do white color. So material, cabinet. I'll give it matte lacquer white. Okay. After that, about the handle, this one, we're gonna create last one, the handle, this one. Okay. Let me see. Actually, for handle, right, guys, we can right click this one. Because I lazy, you can drag handle from outside the crowd and put here. So you can put here. So I use this method. Never mind. Handle, type HANDLE, handle. This one. This one. They are similar. This one should be same. Okay, this one should be same. So I'll drag this one out. Check it out. Okay, the library have problem. Never mind. We have brain one, so we use another method. Okay, we use another method. Okay, I'll just use another method. So since this one not accept, okay, they cannot accept. And let's see what can I do with the banner. Since the outside handle we cannot add, okay, then I'll just gonna create one more in here. This one I'm gonna delete it. Okay, delete. Then I'm gonna create one more. I'm gonna drag one box here. We have green, so don't worry. Okay, everything will be fine. I'm gonna make this one like 350, and the length I want it 1,500. 1,000 white. Okay, so the panel should, the handle should be down here. So I'll just change the handle. This one replace. I'm gonna change it to. The picture is something like. This, not this. Yeah, maybe classic one. I don't think it's classic. Enter. I got normal handle. Okay, let me see the normal handle. I remember should be in here lah, for what I remember. Yeah, aluminium, sorry. Aluminium, this one should be this one. Okay, maybe tiny a bit, quite tiny a bit. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I'll just choose, then I'll rotate it. Okay, put it at the bottom. Okay, don't worry, we got method. Okay, then I'll just use box selection B, box selection, this one, B, box selection, delete the panel, just delete the panel you don't want. Okay, delete the panel, leave the door. So we're gonna use the door, simple as that. Then I'll just move it. Okay, select it, move it, press tag, button tag. Okay, the size are not 600, I want 1000, so I'll exit first. Click B selection, change it. Board selection, the right I want 6000, 1000. Okay, 1000, exit. Okay. This thing can change. Press tag, move it. Okay, press tag, move it up. Okay, move it here. Then we press Control. Okay, first make sure here the angle is correct first. Okay, angle is correct. Control Z. Move here a bit. Okay, correct. Then we rotate it. Okay, press X, select it, rotate it. Okay, press Z, move it. Come down a bit. Okay, so we copy the material, exit everything, copy the material, right click, format painter, material, make them look exactly same as the picture, same as the picture. Then we just control highlight it. Okay, control highlight it. Okay, and just control G, or make it as a group. Then you can reuse. If you want copy again, just Control B or copy another. Okay, simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.